Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let us begin with the topic known as wild animals. Wild animals are the animals that cannot be kept as pets at homes. Wild animals do not depend on humans to provide them food and shelter. Wild animals live in the forest. Some of the examples of wild animals are lion, tiger, elephant, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, fox, water buffalo, zebra, giraffe, bear, yak, hyena, kangaroo, cheetah, leopard, gorilla, chimpanzee, monkey, wolf, meerkat, porcupine, deer, reindeer, possum, king cobra, crocodile, wombat, raccoon, squirrel, chipmunk, panda, ibex, iguana, oryx, moose, ostrich, otter, mongoose, jackal, jaguar, bison, koala.
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys learned something today. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.